All right, today we're going to show you how to install the mobile config file that was probably sent to you by your admin or one of us over at the MacGuys. This will enroll your machine into our device management program that will help you with updates and patching and security settings. So once you get the mobile device config via email or text message, or possibly downloaded it from the internet if you got a link for that, you're just going to drag it to your desktop here. You notice it says download.mobileconfig. You can double click on that file, and it's either going to tell you that you have to go into your system settings and okay it, or it's going to come up and tell you to go into your system settings and approve it. It's going to change depending on whether you're logged in as an admin user. So we're going to say okay here. We're going to go up to the Apple menu, down to system settings. And in this case, this machine is on Sequoia. So we're going to go to the general settings, and then we're going to go down to device management, and we're going to click plus. But just in case you're on Monterey or Ventura or Sonoma, you'd still go to general settings, but instead of device management, you're going to go to security and privacy right here. And then at the very bottom, it would say profiles. And you would click on the same thing here that we're about to show you. So it's going to be in one of those two places. So for the Sequoia machine, we're going to click general. We're going to go down to device management. This is the same thing that you're going to see if you go to privacy and security. We're going to click plus. It's going to ask us to add that from our desktop, which should be the only thing there. We're going to say open, and then we're going to say install. And then we're just going to type in the admin username and password. If you don't have that for your machine, ask your admin to help you with this part. Otherwise, if you have your computer login and it happens to be an admin account, you can just go ahead and put that in here. You're going to click enroll. And then you're going to see all the different profiles pop in on your screen. As they pop in, you'll know that you got it. And that's it. Everything will be enrolled. And at this point, you can go ahead and restart your computer, and you'll probably notice some of these things to start to populate. Like you might notice Sentinel-1, the security software in your menu bar, and a few other things might be popping up, so you'll get a few notifications. And that's perfectly normal. But if you do have questions, go ahead and email us at support@themacguys.com, and we'd be happy to get on your machine and do a remote and make sure everything is looking good.